Hey y'all, what's going on? It's Mindy
and Morgan.
Today we are going to shoot to you some bad vegan trending recipes for snacks. Things to eat for snacking on a vegan tip.
Ooh. So what we got today, we got our bell peppers, we got our beautiful orange, our yellow, and our red. And we have original flavored vegan cream cheese. Got some Cheetos and some everything but the bagel seasoning, y'all. So I've been seeing this everywhere. It's so funny. You went to go buy it this morning and literally
Like, you can't find it in grocery stores.
Nowhere. So we had to find the most generic version from one of our local stores.
Yeah, there's a local grocery store that had it that I don't think people have hit yet. So
yeah,
that's my little secret.
Super excited.
Lakeview Fine Foods.
Yes.
And this is just like cream cheese. It's just a regular.
I think it's Violife, which is really good. They got good cheese,
nice and
good
creamy, plant-based.
Yes.
What is it? Cashew-based?
I'm
not sure.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. It is made with filtered water, coconut oil, potato starch. So potato starch would be the main ingredient.
But anyway, it's a great cream
Really
cheese.
cool.
It's way better than dairy. Better for your stomach.
Yes.
Anyway, so we're gonna do
Yeah, what we've been seeing on the internet, really. It's just a viral trend. People are taking bell peppers and they're
making snacks out of them. Like filling them with cream cheese and making them yummy goodness. So let's get started.
Let's get it started. Tell them. So, did you guys know that the red bell pepper is actually
I'll take this
a bell pepper that is gonna turn green? It's just in the more ripe stage.
So this is gonna turn green?
The red.
Oh, the red turns green?
I think they all. I don't know about the orange and the yellow, but I know about the red. I actually
heard
that
she
on the
cut
internet,
it,
so.
and then we kind of cleaned it out, cleaned
the seeds,
and all the membranes out.
Yes, and then we got our
and then
beautiful creamy cheesy.
Then she's gonna do hers, and I'm gonna do mine. Put as much as you want.
Yes.
Just kind of fill the hole.
Yes.
You kind of want to fill your bell pepper.
It smells really good, guys. I like bell peppers.
Your bell pepper.
When I was in high school, actually, I used to have this friend. Her name was Mia, and she used to eat raw bell peppers, and I used to think it was the craziest thing. And this is, mind you guys, this is way before I was vegan, so I definitely didn't know anything about a raw bell pepper tasting good.
So this is everything but the bagel seasoning.
So what you got there? Let me see. Ooh, cheese.
See, we're filled with cheese, all vegan, all plant-based.
Cheese.
And and then, so we're gonna just sprinkle.
Ooh.
And then you sprinkle yours.
Excited.
It's kind of cool.
So yeah.
And this has like poppy seed, sesame seed, garlic, onion.
Yes. Alrighty, so you ready to try it?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Cheers. Flavorful. Definitely a crunch.
Super good. I really like it.
Like, it's a mouthful.
Recently,
Creamy.
I've been trying to find vegan cream cheese, but it's been so hard. And I finally found it. I'm so happy because it really is good. I might definitely have to add this to my life.
Because it's all about the seasoning to me. And this seasoning is amazing. Just
The cream cheese original is
everything
really good.
but bagel. Everything but bagel. Seasoning.
The cream cheese to me is really good. Like, even on
So wait,
toast.
you want to turn it up a notch?
Sure.
We're going to turn it up a notch. We're going to take these Flamin' Hot Cheetos and we're going to load it on our bell pepper. Now, mind you, the cheese in this is not vegan.
Well, the whole Cheeto is not vegan.
Well, I don't know what Cheetos is made of, but it's the cheese that's not vegan on here. The bread stuff or whatever corn stuff that this is made of, that's vegan. It's just the cheese. So we're gonna go ahead and ingest this little powdered cheese in this really hot and wonderful situation.
I wouldn't quote her on that one. That the Cheeto is vegan. Like any part of the Cheeto, but it's good.
Cheetos is not vegan.
It's good.
So good.
Even with the Cheeto, it's good. It has a little zing.
Yeah. A little bit more crunch.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all.
More substance.
I love vegan cream cheese. Like, oh, it's so
you can
good.
you can even do this with a jalapeno. Like shell out the jalapeno, cut them in half. If you
Yeah.
like more spice, fill it, do the same thing. Use the everything but bagel seasoning. Cheetos or not. And you got yourself a wonderful, delicious meal. I mean, well, a snack anyway. But on that note, like us, subscribe. We got to get out of here.
Comment below your experiences with these bell peppers and the cream cheese situation, because we love to hear what you guys are doing at home. Yeah, comment below, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for tuning in.
All right, y'all. Peace.